Yeah.
Today is August 28th, 2021. We're here at Lake Mashel River, and we're trying to find where the entrance is. So yeah, we're gonna try to find that, and here we go. Alright, quick update. I think we're not going the right way. Something doesn't feel right about this. Can you tell the audience why you took us this way?
So my GPS says go that way. Hyro says go the other way. But once we get there, we'll prove it wrong. So.
Alright. I'm not saying this is the wrong way, I'm just saying something just doesn't feel right.
Doesn't disbelieve. Wait. He thinks the world is flat.
So we ended up spotting two other people, but only for a brief moment. And it looks like we're finally on a trail path. We're finally on what looks to be a trail. And I guess we're following these white tags on the trees.
Hey, I just don't want to come back this way, bro. Look at that hill.
Yeah, dude. You want to go on a hike? No. You're all bitching that was so easy, and now you're like, oh, shit. That wasn't. That was idle and easy. You want the walking stick?
Probably won't do any more hike videos because it's just my knee can't take it. I'm getting old, I guess. So this is the last hike video. Do you want to say anything?
Don't forget to follow my channel.
What's your channel?
At Hero Duran.
Oh, that's actually my channel.
Oh, sorry.
Any last words? No. Bye. Have fun. This will be the last hiking video forever. Forever.
We'll probably be back in about a month or so. So we'll keep you guys posted. Don't forget to like and comment and share with all your friends on Facebook and YouTube. We'll see you guys then.
Any last words for the hike?
From the famous 6ix9ine. I don't know, bro. I'm camera shy. Even though I have a video podcast, check it out, Peep the Knowledge. On YouTube, one word, Peep the Knowledge. Heido's in it, Lisa's in it, or Yuli, Adam's in it, I'm in it. There's gonna be a new episode in Canada, bro. It's about to be lit.